Guys, in this video, I'm going to split the beans and show you exactly how people are earning thousands of dollars with this thing called affiliate marketing. I want you to take a look at this. This is a skin cream that I absolutely love. It is getting me great results. So when I tell my friends about how much I love this cream, about the results that I'm getting, and where I got it from, and my friends, because they like me, trust me, and know me, and they go and buy that cream from that company using my special link, my affiliate link, that company that produces this cream pays me a commission. So this is affiliate marketing, but instead of promoting skin creams, you guys are going to promote high ticket affiliate products that cost between $1,000 to $10,000. In that way, you guys are going to earn big commissions, and instead of be telling your friends, you guys are going to be talking about those products through social media. That is exactly how people are earning thousands of dollars per day with affiliate marketing.